Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the month of October 2021. In this reading, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest, alright? If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. So let's see what is there for my Libras for the month of October 2021. To book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. Let's see. Libras, October 2021. Libra, October 2021. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the Judgment in reverse. It feels like there is some kind of a decision making which you feel that you might make wrong. Okay, something is going on, or this can be a decision which you have already taken or you have to take, but you are confused whether whether it will be the correct thing or not. So this is what you are going through and you are not really sure about it. Okay, we will see more about it in detail in a while. In the past we have the Ten of Cups in reverse, Knight of Pentacles and the Tower. So a big moment might have happened with you, like a family breakdown, something which might have come into light, and it could be a family, a breaking family or a breaking relationship, which you have felt because it was sudden, it was unknown, it was like a terror to you, it was sudden. Okay, it was like something has just destroyed. Okay, something is just destroyed in your family, within you. Something is there in the past energies with this. Okay, so this could be regarding a person as well, because of that person not being able to commit to you, some kind of loyalty issue. I feel something was there. Alright, so in the present we have Two of Cups, the Hermit and Ace of Cups. I feel that there is a second chance of this thing again, and that is the reason you might be in the position of whether this decision I'm going to take is correct or not. Because there's somebody who is saying you sorry. Okay, they are actually bringing a cup of love towards you because you feel that they are your soulmates and they feel too, but you are not sure. You want to dig deep into the situation, you want some rest, you want some space, you are not ready to accept them. Okay, it could be vice versa as well, so you can switch the roles if you want. In the coming future we have Eight of Cups, Four of Swords and the Page of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, they're walking away from the situation. It can be this situation, can be something else, because you need space, you need time, you want some rest. You are not ready to take a decision so fast because you want to commit into a relationship. If you want to come into a relationship, into a long-term commitment, you want time for that thing. You want to give it that, but you are not ready for right now. The energies are quite slow for you, Libras. I don't see things happening so fast, but in the coming month, yeah, there is still rest, peace is needed. Let me clarify more about your situation. Okay, so tell me more about the Judgment in reverse. Eight of Wands, the World in reverse with the Queen of Cups in reverse. So I feel that some emotions being drained off. It could be yours, it could be someone else's. The communication which you wanted with someone, it couldn't happen. Okay, and you feel that emotions are not there with this person towards you, or from your side towards this person. There is lack of emotions, lack of emotional balance. Yeah, emotional balance. But you feel like your world has just changed upside down. Everything has changed now. You see in the past and you realize that no, things are not same. people might be wanting to make the things same again, or you might be wanting it too, but when you go back to the past, you feel like, no, things are different now. I cannot go on with you like this, with the situation like this. You feel like that. Tell me more about the 10 of Cups in reverse in the past energies. 10 of Pentacles in reverse, 7 of Pentacles in reverse with the King of Cups. So this could be a person who has broken your trust, because with whom you were like, you felt a family with this person. A broken marriage, which I already told you. This is a past of an unhappy family, which was happy. You were happy before, but all of a sudden it went like everything ended. Okay, the things have ended. There is instability in the situation, there's instability in the marriage, in the relationship. You do not want to put more energies, more efforts in the situation anymore. Or this can be the person as well, who actually stopped putting efforts in the marriage or in the relationship, and because of that you got to know a lot of stuff, and then you got to know the reality, what the truth which they were hiding. This person was being very loyal to you, okay? This, because I feel loyalty was there. It could be like somebody was faking in front of your eyes. Tell me more about the Knight of Pentacles, about this person. 7 of Cups in reverse, 8 of Cups in reverse with the Page of Cups. They might be really faking in front of you, okay? So this is something like they were offering another cup of love to someone else, and they were showing that they will never move away from you, they will always stick towards you, but they were very confused themselves in the past, and that is why, because of that confusion, you got to know something. This is the situation which happened, okay? Tell me more about the 2 of Cups in the present energies. Justice, Tower, and 4 of Swords. You do not want to put any efforts, I feel, because of the bad endings which have happened in the past, because of the Tower in the past and in the present as well. So things have not ended yet, okay? Those that traumatic moments, you feel like you were given an injustice, and you felt that you were not given a lot of justice and faith in this situation, in this regards, which you are not really entertaining. You're not entertaining that act, whatever has happened in the past. Tell me more about the Hermit in the present energies. 3 of Cups, Page of Pentacles in reverse with the Lovers. So I feel that there could be a third party situation. That is why you are really you want some time for yourself. For some of you, it could be a celebration as well. You are wanting some time with your friends. You want to go away from the situation. You are taking a deep sign. You are not wanting to put attention to this situation right now. And for some of you, it could be third person also involved in the situation. That is why you are wanting not to be the main thing in the situation. Is you are not wanting to act in this thing right now. You are wanting to keep away. You are wanting to take some rest. It can be rest with your friends, it can be rest yourself alone, okay? Because if people are asking commitment from you, you want the same from them. So sorry doesn't work sometimes. So let's see. Ace of Cups in the present energies. Knight of Wands, Queen of Swords, and the 2 of Cups in reverse. See, you do not feel like that the way they feel about you, or the way they feel about you the way you feel about them is not the same which they feel about you. So there is this difference in between both of your feelings. Ace of Cups with the 2 of Cups in reverse. You both are not feeling the same things. A sorry is not accepted for some of, either it could be you, it could be them. So yeah, sorry never accepted, because you are being the Queen of Swords. They are being the person who are just like come and go kind of person, you know. They are walking towards you, but they are ready to go back because they are the Knight. You are the Queen, okay? So you are not accepting like, no, I am not, because the Queen of Swords is the Libra energy is strong. No, it's not your case. Okay, so let's see. Tell me more about the Eight of Cups in the coming future. Ace of Cups, King of Pentacles, and the Two of Wands. You want distance, what I feel. See, love is there somewhere, because again and again Ace of Cups is coming. The Cups energies are there, okay? Emotions are involved in the situation. We cannot say that they never loved you. No, it was not. It was never there. Love was there, but all of a sudden, because of the confusion, it vanished somewhere, okay? But I see that you are choosing distance. You are choosing some distance. It could be distance, actual distance, or it could be like just a distance between two people. But for some of you, you might be changing different cities, countries. You might be moving out of this situation. You are actually physically also going out for some of you, to take some rest, to take some peace. Tell me more about the Page of Pentacles in reverse for my Libras. King of Wands in reverse, the Judgment, and Eight of Pentacles in reverse. See, you are stopping to put efforts in the situation anymore because of the rude behavior. Either this person was rude or you were rude towards them, but this rude behavior, this unethical behavior, was, you were not able to accept that, and the judgment is being taken in the month of October only. So yes, I feel that this month you are going to take some rest. For some of you, you are distancing yourself from this person or the situation. You are moving out. You might be traveling also to get some peace, to get some air, fresh air. And because of that freshness, you are going to take some decisions. All right. So all the best for that. And that is all from my side, my dear Libras. I hope that helps. And we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.